Hello everybody, I know it's been a while, we've been really busy, but now it's time to make another video. So today I will be making homemade smoked bacon. Now I use this master built electronic smoker. My mom got it for me for Christmas a few years ago. When I first got it I was thinking, oh man, I only use wood to smoke. I don't know if I could go electric. But actually it's really great. It's very easy to set up. The results are just as good as when I was cooking with all wood, but it takes a lot less time to prep, and it's very consistent because it's electric, So I've got this loaded with some alder and a little bit of pecan, and all you have to do is turn it on, set the temp. I'm going to go 200 degrees today. We're going to be smoking this cured pork belly for about 2 hours. Let's see here. I'm going to set this for like 5 hours. And then that's it. It's turning on. There will be smoke and it'll be up to temp in probably about 20 minutes. Very easy. There's 4 shelves in there. Holds a lot of meat. Highly recommend one of these, at least for a weekday smoker, folks. Anyway, let's go take a look at the pork. Look at this beautifully cured pork belly. I cured this last weekend. I don't have the video of that. I'll tell you quickly how I did it. You don't need to see me patting on salt onto meat for 5 minutes. This is a nitrate cure. I didn't have Prog Powder 1 or 2. I didn't have the pink salt. All that was available to me at the store last weekend was this Morton Tender Quick. It has nitrate and nitrite in it. I followed the directions. It said 1 tablespoon per pound of meat. This was a 6-pound skinless pork belly. So I did 6 tablespoons of the Tender Quick, and I matched that with 6 tablespoons of brown sugar. Probably a good tablespoon of red pepper flakes, you can see, and also a good tablespoon of black pepper. And I coated every surface, put it in the vacuum seal bag, sealed it up, and left it in the fridge for a week. Turned it every day or two whenever I could remember. So anyway, we're going to get this out onto a rack and let it dry a little bit and put it in the smoker. Okay, here's the cured pork belly. I sliced a little tiny spot off and sauteed it in my frying pan just to check for salt level, and it was a little too salty for me. So I put it in this pan. I rinsed off all the spice rub, emptied the water, put in fresh water. I'm going to let this sit in here for about half hour. That should draw some of the salt out, and then I think it'll be perfect. So after this, I'm going to put it on the sheet tray, let it dry off, and then put it in the smoker. Alright, I think we're ready for the smoker. I soaked this sucker in cold water. Like I say, I rinsed it first, and then I put fresh cold water in the pan, and I soaked it for a half hour. Let some of that salt get out. Took some nice black tello cherry peppers, ground them coarsely, and just did a light sprinkling of pepper. I like a little bit of pepper on my bacon, but I don't like it when it's like a complete bark of bacon. So I got that. Got the probe thermometer in. We're going for a target temperature of 150 Fahrenheit. Should take about 2 hours at 200 on the smoker. I'll keep an eye on it. And we'll see you after the cook. Gosh, mid-November in the Pacific Northwest. It's a sunny, I wouldn't say warm, but I mean it's like 55 degrees. Pretty mild. Don't need a jacket, that's for sure. Just waiting for the bacon to go. It's been far over 2 hours, which is fine. We just want to have a temperature of 150 internally. So, gosh, it's been 3.5 hours on there so far. But, the slower and lower it is, the better it is. Not too worried about it being in a danger zone. It does have the nitrates in it. So let's walk over here and see. Got a little bit of mess on the patio today. All right. Oh, it's at 147. I would peek in there and show you, but that would make it take a lot longer. So we're just gonna trust our thermometer. 147, 3 more degrees. Come on, baby. Let's do it. It smells incredible out here. The pecans smoke mixed with the alder, I think, is a great combination. Next time I'll probably try cherry. It's, you know, you get a pork belly, you pay like, I don't know, that was probably like $15 worth of meat. I'm gonna get 6 pounds of bacon, so you actually save money, and it tastes better. I mean, this is gonna taste better than anything you can get in the supermarket. You'd have to go to a nice high-end butcher to get something this good. So we're gonna wait it out 3 more degrees, then we'll take it out. I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll slice a slice and we'll fry some. We have achieved 150 degrees. Let's open this up. Oh, baby. What lurks inside? Ooh, that looks pretty darn good. Okay, I'll get it pulled out and we'll take a closer look. Look at this beauty. Fat kind of rose on this side a little bit, but that's typical. I'll probably cut it, square it off here. I won't throw that away. That will be put in a pot of beans or something. And then we'll just slice and enjoy the bacon. So let me slice a piece off and see how it cooks up. All right, let's slice into this. Get a nice thick slice and we'll fry it up. Well, it certainly looks very good. We'll get it in the pan. Oh, it's very meaty. It's very meaty. We will fry this up. See, look at that. That looks great. Oh, just from licking my fingers, the flavor is really good. It's got a lot of nice heat from the black pepper and the red pepper flakes. Boy, this looks like the real deal. Looks good. One rookie mistake I made, if you noticed when I first put the probe in, I put the probe in this way. Should have put it in this way. So now every piece is going to have a little hole, but that's okay. Now we got the bacon sizzling. It is moist and juicy. It's very, you know, it's kind of rubbery. It's perfect. I'm going to get it back on the wire rack, and when this is done cooking, we'll check it out and taste it. All right, look at this. Pulled it right out of the frying pan. It's still sizzling. I like bacon crispy. Some people like it softer, so I kind of charred it, but we're going to give it a taste. Actually, come here, sweetie. I need you to taste it and tell me how it is. Ow, ooh, hot. Ooh, hold on.
Hot. Now let's cut a little bit. We'll both taste it.
Yeah, you can taste it too. I'm filming, so you gotta film.
Lord.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Here.
I want that piece.
This piece or this piece?
Okay, careful. It's really hot.
Mmm.
My turn.
Very good.
Mmm. Tastes like smoked salmon.
Oh Lord, it tastes like smoked bacon. This is like smoked salmon.
All right.
Candy.
So there's our bacon video, guys.
It tastes like candy.
Cutting more.